Hi, I'm Renee and I'm a line chef at Crave Restaurant and this is Simply Local. Simply Local is about taking our favorite Trinbagonian dishes and turning them into something fantastic. Here I take simple ingredients and prepare them by giving them a local twist. Hi guys, welcome back to Simply Local. So today we're going to give a twist on our local favorite. It's curry crab and dumpling. I know a lot of you guys don't like curry crab and dumpling because the crab meat inside is really hard to get to the shell. So we're going to fix that for you today. We're going to make stuffed curry crab and dumpling, right? But we're going to give it a little bit more twist. We're going to make curry crab stuffed dumplings itself, like pot stickers. I know it sounds really crazy, but we're going to give it a try. So let's begin. Okay guys, so the first step is to make the dough. Now it's a pretty simple dough and all it is, we're going to use some flour. We have here our cuisine all-purpose flour. So we're going to add that. I'm just putting like a cup and a half of flour. And I have a pinch of salt. I have olive oil. Now I'm adding hot water because the hot water is going to help with the process of making the dough softer. So you're just going to put a little bit at a time. Now because the water is hot, you're going to use something to help you actually work the dough in, and then after we're going to go in with our hands. So you're just going to take your time and incorporate all the ingredients. So now we're going to add flour to the board and you're going to knead it, right? Now this needs to be kneaded for at least 10 minutes to actually develop the gluten in it and to get everything going. Okay guys, so it has been 10 minutes and it's really soft, right? Don't skip this step guys because it's really essential for the dough to develop. Now we're going to put it to rest and actually go and work on the curry crab. So just put it aside for about 10 minutes and we're going to start. Let's begin. So for this curry crab, I have crab meat here. I have about 2 cans of crab meat and I'm actually going to add some salt. I have some black pepper and I'm actually going to add some shadow benny to it. Right, so I'm going to add my curry to this, right? So you're just going to give this a nice mix. And now we're going to go to the pan. Okay, so I have a pan on the fire and I'm going to add the cuisine soybean oil. So I'm going to add the garlic to it, the whole garlic, right? And I'm going to saute it, or like we like to say in Trinidad, chunky. Just going to give this a few minutes for it to actually burn. That actually happens when it releases all the flavor in it. So that's what we're looking for. Okay, so chunky, and this is what we want to happen for the garlic to actually get brown, right? It's actually going to release the flavor and flavor all the oil. So now we're going to go in with some onions. I have garlic as well. Right, so next we're going to add the crab. Right, and we're going to give that a mix. So it has been 2 to 3 minutes guys and I think it's done. I wish you guys were here with me because the smell is so amazing. From the curry to the actual chunking of the garlic, it really is amazing guys, and it really is another reason why we love our local cooking because the smells are amazing. So that's just about it guys, so let's put this aside to cool down and then we can go back to the dough. Okay guys, so what I did is actually rolled out the dough into a log and now we're going to divide the dough. So I have the dough here straightened out and I'm going to fold it in half and I'm going to cut that half straight down the center. You're going to line it up again, cut this dough in half again, you're going to line them up one more time and cut them in half again. So we have flour on the surface and we're going to roll the dough out really thinly. And you're going to repeat this step until all the pieces of dough have been rolled. Right guys, so we have all 16 pieces rolled out here very thinly and this is what you're looking for. So you're going to take the dough and put it in the cup of your hand and you're going to take some of the crab meat, the curry crab, and put it into the dough. So we're just going to squeeze this in the middle here, and what we're doing is actually creating a nice design, and I think each one would have its own unique design because it's going to create this pretty, to me it looks like pretty flowers going around there, but it could also look like a nice parcel or anything like that. So you're just going to squeeze it and continue to do the rest. Okay guys, so it's time to make our coconut curry sauce, right? So I have a pot on the fire here and we're gonna begin by putting the oil. We have our cuisine soybean oil. We're gonna chunky the garlic again. Okay guys, so we're gonna make the curry paste and I'm gonna use the same curry that I used before, right? And you're gonna just take a little bit. I have about 2 teaspoons here and we're gonna add warm water to it. And just enough to actually incorporate the curry and make it into a nice paste. So now that the garlic has been shrinking, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So I have here some onion. I have garlic, pimento, a mixture here of shadow benny and parsley. Guys, if you smell inside here, you'll love it. So we're gonna put this on a low heat, guys, and we're gonna add the curry paste. And we need the curry to actually cook down for at least 2 to 5 minutes. And now we're gonna add like a tablespoon of tomato paste, just to add some depth to the sauce. Just give that a mix. And lastly, we're gonna add the coconut milk. And we're gonna add some black pepper. Smells real good. That coconut milk additional, guys. Everything. And I'm adding some salt. Okay guys, so this has been like about 5 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes, and we just left it on a low heat and it's thickened up really nicely. So we're gonna just set this aside and we're gonna go back to the dumplings, right? So now we're gonna saute the dumplings. What we're gonna do is actually caramelize the bases because we want the base to have this nice brown color. So we have all the dumplings in now and we're gonna leave them for about 3 to 5 minutes so that the bases can caramelize. So it has been a few minutes and it's actually caramelizing really nice and lovely. And this is what it looks like. So now it's time for the water. We're just gonna put a sufficient amount, not too much. And then we're gonna cover it. So the steam action is what is gonna finish cook the rest of the dumplings. So you're gonna give this another 3 to 5 minutes again. Right, so we have our lovely dumplings here, steaming. Guys, a little tip, in between steaming the dumplings, continue to give it a good look because it could actually dry out on you. So just add a little bit of water as you go. Guys, I know you love this one. I love that the dumplings are so soft. It's still getting a little crunch to the bottom of it because we caramelized it. And the crab is really well seasoned. And I love the coconut curry sauce, you know, it adds to the dish and it gives you that local flavor even more. It was really good, guys. As always, the full recipe is on eatoffoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram at eatoffoodtt, or on Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel at eatoffood. As always, I love to hear from you down in the comments below. Let me know how you made it. I know it was a twist. I really loved it. I really enjoyed every part of making this dish today. I know some of you guys want to add more vegetables. That's fine as well. Or some pepper. I know a lot of you like pepper. So let me know if you added any pepper. Until next time, guys. Bye.